Hi all, this is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a scenario with you like in your stakeholder or manager can ask you like, hey, can you please create a view which you can tell which subcategory has exceeded sale target of 110% of previous year sales, and you need to color accordingly. So how can you do this? So I have already do this. I will show you from the scratch just so that. So we have category and subcategory and sales 2023, and I have created a parameter. So I will show you how to use this view, how to you can say how to create this kind of view with parameter, using parameter. So if you change this parameter, so see reference lines are moving. So you can say target are moving. Okay, so how can we create this view from the scratch? I will show you. Let's make it a new sheet. So I'm using the sample superstore data. Search category. Expand this. This is the hierarchy and this is subcategory. We need to create first calculation. Is 2023. So now I am saying if year of order date equal to 2023, then sales and you can see my calculation is valid. So I am looking only for the 2023 sales. Bring it to column, make it entire view and sort this. Now let's set a target. Target will be this target for 2023. So I'm again saying if make it big, year of order date equal to 2023 and sales and wrap this in curly brackets because I want it to be increased by 10%. 10%. Okay. Like this. So you need to activate this calculation. You need to put the target which you have created this calculation in view. So like if you have created this calculation and if you wanted to take it a reference line, this will not come because you haven't tell this Tableau okay, this is in view. Like only one calculation is showing, which is the sale 2023. So you need to say the Tableau this is in view. Now you can take this add reference line. Now you can see the target is showing the reference line. We want for the per cell because we want to segregate it by the category. So that's why I take this per cell. Label, I don't want any label. And I want this. Okay. So now the ask is, let me copy this text. So here the ask is if your stakeholder or your manager ask you, can you please create this bar chart and sales target 110% prior year sales. If they ask, this is fine, you have done your work. And they maybe ask you, can you please color accordingly, which is exceed, which is not. So I will tell you, this is third calculation. Yes. So as of now I'm taking TF. You can take different name if you want. So I'm saying sum of sales, sum of, this is give me the true false and I want the true or false. Okay, so you can see the calculation is valid. This is checking if my total sales is greater than this target. If it is yes, then give me the true. If not, just give me the false. Let's bring this calculation, drag it in color. So you need to say equal to thing is exceeded. So that's why giving me false. The target, what is my target? That's fine. Yes, I is ask is, so I need to took previous year sales because the ask is I need to show the prior year sales, not for the current year sales. That's why I'm getting everything is false. Let's change the color quickly. False to be this. So now you can tell this your end user if these are the in the furniture, like the tables, chairs are exceeded. Chairs have been doing very good, and the office supply, binders, storage application paper, supply, art, binders, and the envelope are not doing good. As well as you can say the technology, phone accessories, they are doing good. What if like your work is done here, like your stakeholder or your manager asks, you have created this, you have done this. Like if you're doing if you're showing this your stakeholder manager while presentation, might be like Teams or Zoom, like they can ask you then, can you please increase by 150%, 200%. So you come over here and enter manually. So this is not the right way. So you need to create a parameter. If they won't ask you the dynamic, but as a Tableau developer, your work is you have to create a parameter behind the scene. If they may ask you, can you please make it a dynamic? Can you please give me the parameter or drop down list kind of thing? So end user can play around with, end user can like the percentage, how much increase the previous year sales. So you need to create a parameter. I'm saying okay. So F line per open. So make it a data type float, do not change. Display value, go to percentage, and I don't want any decimal places. Make it 100%, 1.1. Range, minimum will be 1, maximum will be my 2. The step size will be my 0.01. I need to configure this parameter, so you need to the target, open this calculation, and we have entered the manually. Remove this, and hence your ref line parameter which we have created just now. Everything is seems good. Tableau is happy. See, we have changed. Okay, now configure line. Now show your parameter, ref line parameter, show parameter. So we have the 100% sales. 100% sale you can see office supply in envelope and machines. Now by giving you demo, end user can buy, hey, can you please make it a 101%, 12%, 13%, and make it a like 143% can see how much our sales exceeded. So you can give this kind of functionality for end user. They can set your target as per the demand. So this is how you can create this chart with dynamic using the parameter. We have used the reference line, we have used colors to show which one exceeded, which one not, and the parameter as well as. That's it from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.